These birds land on an injured hippo and start drinking its blood, but instead of fighting them off, the hippo lets it happen. That's because these birds are actually helping it survive. They're called oxpeckers, often known as nature's medics. You'll find them sitting on animals like rhinos, elephants, and giraffes, feeding on ticks, lice, and other parasites. They even clean out wounds by eating dead tissue and dirt, reducing the risk of dangerous infections. And thanks to their sharp vision, they can spot predators from far away and sound the alarm, acting like a built-in warning system for animals that can't see well.